ensuring purity, serenity, and a gush of freshness to our beloved customers, imbibing and delivering it as a way of our life. TVS Green, breezing magic. India's most reliable BLDC technology with remote control, uniquely designed, keeping the suave trends and customers' needs. Stylish, trendy, suave and catchy. The stakeholder of your trust and confidence, Lucas TVS, with its legacy of success in automotive electrical applications, is now entering your homes with a breath of freshness. TVS Green caters to various segments such as domestic ceiling fans, domestic exhaust fans, industrial ceiling fans, industrial exhaust fans, and air coolers. Our domestic fans, perfected with a pack of fashionable models and colors, and a perfect mix of elegance with power, performance, comfort, safety, and durability. Add a sense of style and exuberance to your rooms and offices with our innovative and trendy designs. TVS Green fans have set a new benchmark by utilizing low energy as low as 32 watts and optimizing efficiency. And the built-in BLDC technology reduces breakdown of frequent repairs. 50% saving on electricity. 3 years replacement guarantee. Remote control feature. Night mode for uninterrupted sleep. Dynamic fan blades. No speed drop during voltage fluctuation. Electronic regulator. And a mix and match of colors. Good dealer network and retail presence, well supported by customer care and customer support, and service centers across India. TVS Green will continue to grow and spread its wings, ensuring your comfort and well-being. It is time to upgrade your homes with the most trendy and unique designer comfy fans. Explore the range of fans relaxing on the couch and make a trendy statement. TVS Green, breezing magic.